We've just developed a new product for the market. It's called the Offshore Transformer Module. We're revolutionising offshore grid connections. We're actually going back to basic. We're simplifying construction. We're therefore reducing the costs by up to 40%. We're reducing operation and maintenance costs and basically speeding up the process for building a grid connection. What's important is we get these products built in the UK. We already have a skill base in the UK that we can tap into. This is the real step change, going from offshore conventional platforms and substations as we used to build to the OTM. That is the game changer.
Maersk's right on the forefront of developing the advanced first aid course. As renewables is venturing further and further away from the coastlines and into more hard to access areas, our access to medical care isn't as quick as what we'd like it to be. So we need to have training that's going to support our casualties if the worst should happen. Most turbines have the basic first aid kits on, some of them have defibs on. Maersk went that extra step further and we looked at what would happen if somebody had catastrophic bleeds, if they had trauma injuries to their airways, and we simply didn't have the facilities on sites at the minute to be able to sustain that casualty for long periods of time. So the trauma bag is coming with a lot of advanced kit that we've just never seen before in this industry. The ideal thing for our customers, they're going to get 2 levels of support. So not only are they getting the advanced training that Maersk are offering at a much higher level, so they'll still get their basic GWO first aid, then they'll get additional 3 days worth of in-depth training, how to manage airways, how to manage catastrophic bleeds, how to do traction, so much more complex medical scenarios that are taking place for longer periods. But enables them to do that, they're going to need the kit to do that. So this is where the trauma kit comes in. We're going to have advanced care, we're going to have oxygen, we're going to have nitrous gases, so we can support pain relief for a longer time. We need to be able to monitor and reassure our casualties for longer.
We're only based in Korea, so this is actually our first time showing this product in Europe. The European market for renewable energy is much bigger than that of Asia, so we were searching for exhibitions to participate in, and we found RenewableUK had 37 years of tradition, and we also like that you guys provided the separate section for small and medium wind energy, which we fit in, so we decided that this would be a perfect option for us. This product, as you can see, is actually a hybrid product. It has turbines and solar panels, and each turbine and solar panel creates about 100 watts in energy. This one is actually 1/5 in scale, so the real size would be about 11.2 meters. Our main goal was that we would like to make a product that would be not only functional, that would go along with pretty much any kind of surroundings.
We've designed a certification management system that allows our customers to track the status of all their health and safety assets. It's a system that gives them a heads up of when things are actually running out of date and allows them to pre-plan the next round of statutory inspections. It's been sort of adopted sort of on a whole scale, Dong Energy, Statkraft, SSE, Siemens, to name but a few. And it's getting really good reviews at the moment. It tracks all the equipment, so when the guys are going out to the turbine on a day-to-day basis, so they use our system to track and check that everything's safe to use. And again, our system will throw out alerts to say that things are out of date, they're running out of date, or they are actually defective. RenewableUK gives us good access to a lot of customers, gives you an opportunity to sort of take your product out there and to show them what you can do. We're a relatively new system. You're trying to break into different markets. At the moment, we're not currently that big in the UK onshore marketplace. Offshore, we seem to be flying at the moment. So again, it's getting out there, meeting new people, explaining what you do and what you can do for them, and hopefully, drumming up some new custom.